Okay, this is Harry just chilling. This is him chilling. Sorry about the little ding. That means I got an incoming email. Hi, Harry. How's it going? How's it going, Bubba? He's just chilling. He's chilling. He's waiting for me to throw the ball because he's got such good focus on the ball. Good boy. And I noticed earlier he was actually more interested in the ball than the treat. So he is becoming much more ball and toy motivated. I had a really good yummy treat, and it was like a chicken-based, really good smelling treat, and he totally ignored it because he'd rather play with the ball. So he's clearly more ball motivated. Okay, you ready? You ready to go? Oh yeah, I see you getting up. Ready? Okay, you ready, Harry? Oh, okay. Okay, you gonna sit? You ready to go? Ready? I'm teasing him now. Ready? Sorry about the ding. I guess I'm kind of popular getting some emails. Okay, you ready, Harry? Ready? Ready to go? Okay, go. Good boy. Good boy. And whoa, don't run into me. Okay, sit. Sit. Good sit. Good drop. Ready? Okay, go. Yay. Yay. Sweet boy. What a sweet boy, Harrison. Sweet boy. And now he's just amusing himself with it. Okay, ready? Yeah, you're looking. You're waiting for me to take the ball. Good boy. Harrison, look. Want a cookie? See if he'll take the treat. Ooh, look. Up. Good sit. Good boy.